Hello, Justin. Here is a demonstration to assure your cable's connection is correct. You can see that now we have 6 pieces solar panels and 4 batteries and one 3 kilowatts solar generator. First, you need to connect every 2 pieces solar panel in series and please be assured that the anode and the cathode connection is correct, and be assured the MC4 connector is firm and stable. Similar, those 4 pieces solar panel also shall be connected correctly. But for your 3 kilowatt solar system, you need to connect each 2 panels in series, and finally the 4 groups solar panels in parallel. And then you need to test whether the cable's voltage and current is normal. You can use the multifunction meter. And then you should connect the battery with the solar generator correctly. This is the anode and this is the cathode. And be assured the connection is firm. Also, you should assure the connection with the solar generator is correct. Yeah, this is the battery anode and the cathode. A demonstration for you. This is to assure the solar panel connection is correct and firm. Yeah, this is a test about the solar panel's voltage and current. And the range shall be in 75 to 80. After the test, we connect the solar panel's cables to the solar generator. This is the equipment, your home appliance. You should connect it correctly. This is with connection with the, for example, the bulbs. Now we turn on the solar generator. The battery You should keep pressing the power curtain and start the solar generator.
所以你可以看到呢，已经发电机已经开始工作了，灯泡亮了。
Now the inverter starts working.
然后再重新看一下这条接线，太阳能板的接线，两个串两个电，两个串两个电，两个串两个电。
那我打开。
然后这里边你给它有
See,
个负载
the
率。
light is lighting.
1%是负载率。
And the whole system can work normally. So during the whole connection, please be assured that your solar panels must towards the sunshine direction and keep it from any shelters about the obstacles.
你这3组你再给它重新看一下。
See the cables connection.
那是一组，那在这。
This is one group.
第二组。
Yeah, this is the second group. Every group should be connection in series.
这每一组的电压应该是48伏，应该是
70
到80伏。
The third group. And you should have 4 groups, and you connect the 4 groups in parallel.
现在给它演示一下串联的情况，接线的情况。
Now we show you how to connect the batteries.
你再给它演示一下那个蓄电池串联的接线的情况，给它捋那个线。
2块是串是吧？
有4块串联。
2块是串联。
4块串联。
正极接它的负极，正极接它的负极，正极接它的负极。
4块都是串是吧？ The 4 batteries all connected in series. The anode connected with cathode, and so do the others. So you should confirm your cabling connection is also like this. And about the whole connection, you should assure the solar panel's voltage is 35 watts. But when it's working, the working voltage is 24. So you should connect each 2 panels in series and totally 4 groups in parallel. And you must assure every connection is firm. Every shall be firm. Besides, you must assure your load equipment's power shall be less than the 3 kilowatts, because if the equipment is inductive, so such as the motor equipment, it will have a 1/3 or 1/5 nominal power, and it will have a big current when it's instant starting. You can reference about your equipment's nameplate. Finally, you should assure your equipment there is no electric leakage and short circuit conditions. So we think if your solar system connection is all correct and you pay attention to all the points we mentioned, the solar system can work normally. That's all. Thank you.